How to copy a photo to Clipboard in Picture Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Picture Gallery, or in the apps screen you can open up the Picture Gallery. In here, go back to your gallery homepage and then open up a picture. Next, we tap on the More button, and then from the pop-up menu, select Copy to Clipboard. Okay, it is now in the clipboard. Once a picture has been copied to the clipboard, you can paste it to, say, Note. So in here, I can touch and hold on the screen and then tap on Paste. So this is paste from the clipboard. You can also paste it from down here as well. Or you can open up the clipboard and then paste it from the clipboard. Once it is pasted into your notes, you can resize the image and you can perform other editing. You can also paste it on top of another picture. So if we open up gallery and I go in here, I can paste. So if I tap on the More button and then tap on Paste from Clipboard, here I can paste another pictures into here as well. So that is another options that I can do by pasting a picture from the clipboard to on top of another picture. And then I can choose save or revert the changes. You can also paste to messages, Facebook apps, and so on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.